have shown you a proven record. Here you can see I have run ads, sales ads, and I have got 388 sales, and part sales result was 5.57. Basically it vary country wise, also product wise. That means it vary product and countries per capita income as well. So before doing, you have to set up a Facebook Meta pixel with tracking all details you have to know. So I'm going to create here, then come here in sales. Then you can see this is a conversion campaign. So I'm going to keep continue, and here is the Facebook Meta ad, which Facebook Meta automatically set up the campaign and target by their algorithm using their backend information. So I'm going to keep continue, and you can put a name. New sales campaign. I'm going to put website purchase. So I have to put here the website pixel and set up a conversion event. Then you have to put here on the daily budget. So I put to daily budget $5 or whatever, $10. So it seems like 24 to 69 conversion. Basically it comes all around like 15 to 18 or 20, not it goes to 69. And then I'll do keep next. So here is the content. I have to select my Facebook pages, then content. So I'll set up a manual content using post. That means if you select this using post, then you have to post on your Facebook page before selecting. So I'm going to here, then select my content, hit continue, and here all comes like my landing page. It is so before set up your campaign, remind it, you have to set up your Facebook Meta pixel properly so that your pixel is working. And if you need the pixel setup support, then you can check my video description, and or you can go my website trustdevagency.com. You can find me. So come, and you can see here is your pixel setup properly. Then you can do published. So this campaign help you to optimize automatically, and you can see the result how it's going. So you can see I have done so far 388 conversion, and as I already told you that it comes 0.57 per purchase, but it vary country to country or product based, because if your product is good, product selling attractive product, and it's like evergreen product, so purchase will increasing. So that's all video today. I'll share more things about Facebook marketing, or if you need anything, then you can ask me in video comment. Thank you so much.